Welcome travelers, I'm currently at Hanover airport and I'm gonna fly to Palma de Mallorca today on board a Condor Airbus A321. I took the train to the airport and arrived about 4 hours prior departure. This is my first time at Hanover airport, but to me this airport seems to be quite modern and I already really like it. Smart Lynx will operate this flight to Palma and I'm now heading for my gate. At this time the airport is very empty and it seems that my flight will be on time. It took me only around 5 minutes to pass security check and I arrived at the gate area on time. My plane for today is a 9-year-old Airbus A321 of Smart Lynx. They fly for Condor due to a high demand. Boarding started on time and I'm now starting my journey to the island of Mallorca. My seat for today's flight is 8F, from which I have a nice engine view. The legroom of this A321 is a bit tight, but enough for such a short flight.
Wir möchten Sie daran erinnern, dass das Rauchen auf Condor-Flügen zu keiner Zeit gestattet ist. Vielen Dank. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome on board. Please place your light carry-on baggage in the overhead compartment and your heavy bags under the seat in front of you. If you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact one of our cabin crew members. We would like to remind
Study it carefully as it contains important information about exit routes, oxygen masks, life jackets and the brace position that you must adopt in the case of an emergency landing. We'd like to thank you for your attention. Thank you, cabin crew.
The seat pocket of this Condor Airbus A321 contains the safety card and 2 magazines. The prices for food and drinks are okay, but I didn't order anything on this short hop to Palma. Unfortunately, my seat was in a poor condition and the table was about to fall off. When the sun was rising, we started our descent into Palma de Mallorca.
Airlines would like to wish you a very warm welcome to Palma, where the local time is 7:15. For your comfort and continued safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has arrived on its final parking stand and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. This will be your only indication that it's safe for you to move around the cabin. Please do take care when opening any of the overhead lockers in case items may have moved and may fall out and cause injury. And can we remind you that smoking is still not permitted until you have cleared the terminal building and in a designated.
I finally arrived at my destination and I have to say that I enjoyed my journey with Condor. Especially watching the sunrise out of the window was stunning. I've booked a connection flight to Munich, which will leave in 1 hour, so stay tuned for my next trip report. Thank you very much for watching, like and subscribe if you want to support this channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.